For any homework-related queries, call us at +1 678 648 4277. You can mail us at 1,678,648 4277, support@pythonhomeworkhelp.com, support@pythonhomeworkhelp.com, or reach us at https://www.pythonhomeworkhelp.com. https://www.pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Data Analytics with Python Homework Help. Q1. In the analysis of variance procedure, ANOVA, the term factor refers to 1. The dependent variable. 2. The independent variable. 3. Different levels of a treatment. 4. The critical value of f. Answer 2. The independent variable, Q2. In a problem of ANOVA, involving 3 treatments and 10 observations per treatment, SSE equals 500. The MSE for this situation is 1.130.22.48.8 March 18, 52.4.30.0. Answer 3. 18.52. Q3. The F ratio in a completely randomized ANOVA is the ratio of 1.mst/mse, 2.mstr/mse, 3.mse/mstr, 4.mse/mst. Answer 2. mstr/mse. Q4. An ANOVA procedure is applied to data obtained from 7 samples where each sample contains 10 observations. The degrees of freedom for the critical value of f are 2.5 and 7 numerator and 20 denominator degrees of freedom, 3. Numerator and 20 denominator degrees of freedom, 3.6 numerator and 63 denominator degrees of freedom, 4.7 numerator and 63 denominator degrees of freedom. Answer 3. 6 numerator and 63 denominator degrees of freedom. Q5. In an ANOVA problem, if SST equals 200 and SSTR equals 80, then SSE is 1. 282 123 84 220. Answer 2. 120. Q6. The critical F value with 8 numerator and 29 denominator degrees of freedom at alpha equals 0.01 is 1. 2.182 3.203 3.534 3.94. Q7. 2 independent simple random samples are taken to test the difference between the means of 2 populations. The standard deviations are not known, but are assumed to be equal. The sample sizes are N1 equals 15 and N2 equals 35. The correct distribution to use is the 1. T distribution with 51 degrees of freedom. 2. Z distribution with 50 degrees of freedom. 3. Z distribution with 49 degrees of freedom. 4. T distribution with 48 degrees of freedom. Answer 4. T distribution with 48 degrees of freedom. Q8. Stare true or false statement. The sampling distribution of 2 populations p-bar1 p-bar2 is approximated by a normal distribution. 1. True. 2. False. Answer 1. True. Q9. Mean marks obtained by male and female students of school ABCD in first unit test are shown as below. 1. Male female. 2. Sample size 64 36 3. Sample mean marks 44.41.4. Population variance 128.72. The standard error for the difference between the two means is 4.07.46, 4.24, 2.0. Answer 4. 2.0. Q10. Mean marks obtained by male and female students of school ABCD in first unit test are shown as below. 1. Male female 2. Sample size 64.36.3. Sample mean marks 44.41.4. Population variance 128.72. If you are interested in testing whether or not the average marks of males is significantly greater than that of females, the test statistic is 2.01.51.961.645. Answer 2. 1.5.